Hello everyone, my name is Olga Zorina and today we will learn not only how to crochet a bag but also by following this video tutorial we will learn how to read patterns as well. So to begin we need to make 13 chain stitches. So first we're gonna make a knot. And then we chain 13 stitches. By the way, this is the size of my crochet hook and this is the yarn I will be using. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here's the chain. So we have 13 chain stitches. Then, as we see from the pattern, we need to make one turning chain, which will replace the first stitch here. And then we crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 single crochets. So we make first turning chain, and from here into this stitch we make first single crochet into third stitch. So 1 single crochet, then we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we finished here. We made 12 single crochets. So we finished here. We made 12 single crochets and we see that into the stitch in the same one we add another 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets. So next we crochet the second one into the same stitch. Here as well the third, fourth single crochet into the same stitch, and fifth. Next we crochet into the next stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So next we start crocheting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Here's our 12th single crochet which we crocheted here. And now we see this one we made when we started the row, and now we see that we need to make 1, 2, 3 more single crochets into the same stitch. So I'm making 1, 2, and 3 single crochets. And now this element here, this point, just like all these others, this is our slip stitch. So we join with this loop, just pull it through like this. So this is what we have now. Then the next row, we do exactly the same. We make first turning chain and crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 single crochets. So we make 1 turning chain, and now we crochet the first single crochet. One, 2, 3. Here I finished the row to the end and I made 12 singles crochets. So here we're finished. Now we're gonna make 2 single crochets into the same loop previous row, and then 1 into 1, and then again 2 single crochets into the same 1 loop previous row. First one and the second one into the same loop. Then we're gonna do the middle one, and again 2 single crochets into the same loop of previous row. There you go. And now we're gonna make 12 single crochets. Now that we've finished a row, we're supposed to do the same thing what we do on the other side. So we're gonna do the first single crochet and then 2 single crochets into the same loop. Single crochet is the middle one, and again 2 single crochets into the same loop. One more single crochet, and now we join again. Just pull it through. There you go. That's what we should get. And we go up 1 loop again and start a new row and make 12 single crochets. So 12 single crochets are ready. So what we see next? So now we are right here and we're gonna make next single crochet into the next loop, and then we're gonna make 2 single crochets into the same loop previous row. Then we're gonna make the middle one, and then the same thing. We're gonna make 2 single crochets into the same loop of previous row, 1 single crochet, and 12 single crochets. So we make first single crochet, then we make 2 single crochets into the same loop. The first one, second one, then we are making the middle single crochet, then 2 single crochet into the same loop, one more single crochet, and then 12 single crochets. We finished 12 single crochets, and then we're gonna make the same thing what we did on the other side. We're right here, and then we're gonna make 1 single crochet into the next loop, then 2 single crochets into the same loop, and then the middle one, 2 single crochets into the same loop, and then 1 more single crochet. First single crochet, 2 single crochets into the same loop, one single crochet, the middle one, then we're gonna do 2 single crochets into the same loop again, one more single crochet, and we join, there we go, just pull it through. And again, we start new row, the same thing, we do 1 turn chain and 12 single crochets. So we finished making 12 single crochets, and now we are right here. And then we're gonna make 2 single crochets into the same loop, then 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets into the same, then the middle one, and again the same thing. First single crochet, the second one into the same loop, 1 more single crochet, 2 single crochets into the same loop, 1 single crochet, it's the middle one, 2 single crochets into the same loop, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets into the same loop, and next we're gonna make 12 single crochets. And here we are. We finished 12 single crochets, and what we see here right here we have to make one more single crochet, and then we're gonna make the same thing what we did on the opposite side. One more single crochet, and then 2 single crochets into the same loop. 1 and 2. One more single crochet, 2 single crochets into the same loop, one more single crochet in the middle one, 2 single crochets into the same loop, one more, 2 single crochet into the same loop, and then we're gonna join with the slip stitch. Make new row, the same thing, 1 turn chain and then 12 single crochets. So now we are here, we finished our 12 single crochet stitches, and we're gonna start doing 2 single crochet stitches into the same loop. Then we're gonna make 3 single stitches, one, 2, and 3, and then 2 single crochet stitches in the same loop and the middle one, and the same thing on the other side. One and 2 into the same loop, then 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, then 2 single crochet stitches into the same loop, then 2 single crochets into the same loop, 1, 2, 3 single crochets, 2 single crochet into the same loop, and we're gonna make 12 single crochets. So we made 12 single crochet stitches, and we're supposed to make another one. So basically it's the same stitch on the upside when we start the row with the turning loop, with the turning chain, and basically when we make the upside we make 12 single crochet stitches, and on the downside we're supposed to do 13 single crochet stitches. So now we're gonna make the same thing, 2 single crochets into the same loop, then 3 single crochet stitches, then 2 single crochet stitches into the same loop, the middle one, and the same thing on the other side. Okay, 2 single crochet stitches into the same loop, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet stitches into the same loop, the middle one, 2 single crochets into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 2 single crochets into the same stitch of the previous row, and we're gonna in the same ending of the row, and then the same starts of the row. One turn chain and 12 single crochet stitches right here. So we finished our 12 crochet stitches, and now we're gonna make 1 single crochet stitch, then 2 single crochet stitches into the 1 loop, then 3 single crochet stitches, 2 stitches into the 1 more single stitch, and the middle one. On the other side it's gonna be the same thing. One single stitch, then 2 single stitches into the 1 loop of the previous row, 1 and 2, then 3 single stitches, 1, 2, 3, then 2 single stitches into the 1 loop, 1, and it's the same one, 2, one more single stitch, and the middle one. And the same thing on the other side. One stitch, two single stitches into the same loop, then 1 and 2 and 3, then 2 single stitches into the same loop, 1 and 2, 1 single stitch, and then we're gonna make 13 single crochet stitches. We finished 13 single crochet stitches, and now we are right here, and we're gonna make the same thing what we did on the other side. 1 single crochet, then 2 singles into the 1, then 3, then 2 into the 1, then 1, the middle one, and the same thing on the other side. After joining, we're gonna start new row as usual from 1 turning chain and 12 single crochet stitches. So I finished my 12 single stitches, and here we're gonna start from 1 single stitch, then 2 single stitches into the 1 stitch of the previous row, then 4 single stitches, 2 single stitch into the 1, and then 2 single stitches and 1 stitch is the middle one. And the same thing on the other side. So now we're gonna start and make first single stitch, and then 2 single stitches into the 1 stitch of previous row. Then 4 single stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 2 stitches into the 1, 1 and 2, and then 2 single stitches and 1 single stitch in the middle. One, 2, and 1 in the middle. And here the same thing. And here we're gonna make 13 stitches, and after that we make the same increase as we did before. Now let's crochet our last row. No increases here, just 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way around to neatly edge the bag and finish this part of the project. Alright, we're done with this part. Just pull the yarn through . And cut the tail, and we'll tuck it in later. Here's the first part of our bag. Now we are going to make the front piece. this one, which is just a half of this one.